Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple vinyl mural for your window in honor of the World of Hearts movement during this COVID-19 pandemic. This is a super simple project and you can easily do this with your kids too. As you can see here, I have a bunch of different hearts in different sizes and different colors. And that's really all you need to do. So you can create as many hearts as you want to whatever size that you want. So I just created this according to my window on my door, and that's where I got this amount from. But you can feel free to add as many or as little as you want, or if you want to add words, you could do that as well. But let me show you how I did this quick. I used a heart shape that is found in Cricut Access, and I'll show you where that is really quick. So this was the heart that I used. So if you have Cricut Access, it's included, otherwise you'll have to purchase it. But if you don't want to purchase the heart, you can use the free heart in this shapes category. So click shapes right here, and then click on heart, and then this is a free image that you can use. I just added one heart onto the canvas, and then I came up here to duplicate, and I just duplicated it a bunch of times. So then from here, you're just going to want to size them differently. So you can just click and drag. And then the last thing that I did, as you can see, is I put them into different colored groups. So it's going to cut all these green ones together, all these dark blue ones, and all these light blue. So to change the color, all you do is click on the heart and go up here and click on the different color. And that's honestly it. It is so simple to do this. The next thing we're going to do is apply our vinyl onto a cutting mat. I'm using a light grip cutting mat here, but you can use a standard grip one as well. And then I'm using an extra large scraper tool to help burnish it onto the mat. And then from there, we will get cutting our vinyl. To remove the vinyl from the mat, I like to flip the mat over and bend the mat back while I keep the vinyl straight. Then from here, I'm going to start trimming out the hearts. I'm just removing the excess vinyl that I don't need so I can save it for a future project. I like to use the paper trimmer here so that I can keep the lines straight, but then after that, I grab some scissors and I'm just cutting around the hearts. Alright, now we're going to weed. I'm using a weeder tool to remove the excess vinyl from around the hearts. This step is actually optional. You could definitely not do this and still just peel the heart up, but I thought it would just be easier to see the hearts when I'm sticking them on my window. So as you can see, I'm just using the tool to remove the vinyl from around the design. Before we attach the vinyl to the glass, I'm just using some glass cleaner to wipe down my door. This will just help to make sure that the vinyl sticks well. Now we're going to attach the hearts. To do this, simply remove the vinyl from the paper backing and then stick it on your window, just like a sticker. I told you it was that simple. And that's all there is to it. If you create a vinyl mural on your windows, be sure to tag us on our social media accounts so that we can share your projects too. Thanks for watching.